for more than 10 years, and I had a strong sense of loyalty that I wanted to hire him, but I allowed my wife to interview him separately for me and ask all of the questions that she had and make sure that she felt that he was the best man for the job, and he was, and he delivered. You know, whenever I have a vendor, service provider, whatever, come to my house and try to pitch business, I'm always concerned about how much time things are going to take. How long is it going to take? How much time is it going to take away from my busy schedule? And when Robert came by, he made it clear that he would be available to us whenever we needed him. And he was always good about returning our calls right away, the same business day. And the remarkable thing is we sold the house in like 2 weeks. And that alone saved us so much time this summer, so that I was able to go out and find a new house in Texas and plan to live there. When you sell a house, there's all kinds of prep work you got to do, and Robert didn't just give us lists of names and numbers of plumbers and so forth. He used his clout with them for repeat business to get them to our house in groups to save us a lot of time. It was a pleasure working with Robert's assistants, all of them, especially Katie. Katie is incredibly dedicated and very, very efficient and very friendly. And what else could you ask for? Someone who puts the deals together while Robert's out selling them.